Hello everyone, here are safe locks, in my opinion 8 levers as far as I remember.
Будем открывать импрессии.
We'll open it with such a tool.
Тут один оборот.
There is one turn here. The adjustment is located at the rear edge. It is very important to pay attention to the adjustment because if it is too hard or too soft, it will not open. It is important to choose the optimal one. When we make tension, we sway more up and down. Here, now I need to tighten it up a little, add rigidity. Okay, now let's try again.
В общем, инструмент рабочий. Может быть, не 100%.
In general, the tool works. Perhaps not 100%, but it opens most of such locks. The price of the tool will be on the website. The link is under this video. Bye.
Пока.